Here's how you could have caught 105 points in 1 minute trading the Nasdaq this morning. Coming into market open, my bias is bullish. We traded down into this daily inefficiency and put in an SMT with ES at this daily intermediate low, and we started getting displacement out of it. The higher time frame trend is clearly bearish, but I wanted to see price deliver from this SMT into this 4-hour intermediate high and then deliver us lower. For that reason, I am willing to take longs today. Coming into 9:30, price decides to open up lower and leaves us this 9:30 wick. At this point, as 9:30 opened up lower, I could expect a high close with my bullish bias. And something really interesting happens right here. We have smooth relative equal highs at the 9:30 wick. This is liquidity being engineered. This right here fully confirms my bullish bias up to this 30-minute fair value gap. At this point, what I'm thinking to myself and what would be super A plus is price continues to add to the liquidity pool, generating low resistant liquidity. We get manipulation below into this 15-minute internal low, which also lines up with a 15-minute fair value gap. And then from here, we find our entry trigger up to the 9:30 wick, up to the unmitigated 30-minute fair value gap. That's exactly what happens. Price manipulates lower, puts in this SMT with ES. ES takes this low, starts displacing higher. At this point, I'm looking at the highest time frame inversion, which is this 2-minute fair value gap. I'm looking to see this 2-minute fair value gap violated with speed. That's exactly what we get. Extremely good V-shape, good displacement on the candle. And for me to better my RR, I scale down to the 1 minute, place a limit into the 1 minute fair value gap here, get tagged in, and instantly just rip up higher, delivering through the 9:30 wick into the 30-minute fair value gap. And that for me is trade of the day. There's possibly a better setup that may present itself later in the morning, but I am now off the charts and I hope you all have a great day.